Look at this guy. Won't even stop. Unreal. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. Today it's a nice calm day, relaxed, chilling out. I'm gonna sit on the beach here for a bit, just enjoy the views, get some of the sunshine. Got the scooter with me today, but wow, what a view. Sunshine, a few people on this beach. Pretty nice. Later today I'll probably go for a drive on the scooter, maybe go down towards Antibes or maybe go the other way towards the marina and have a look, just enjoy my day. So one thing I like to do while I'm sitting on the beach is study French, and I've been here now for 3 years and my French is still not that good, so I like to practice on Duolingo, and that's what I'm doing today. And it's not as easy as you think, but that means I got it right, so I'll keep practicing. Well, it's that time of the day, middle of October, not many people on the beach. I gotta go put my food in, just enjoy this beautiful Mediterranean sea and what it's worth. Oh, it's perfect. Look at the color of the water. I gotta go for a swim. Give you a little quick view of this marina. It's a beautiful building.
On m'a dit la gare c'était par là. Vous connaissez la gare?
Oui.
Elle est où?
La gare, juste à côté. So,
Par là ou par là?
just at the chop. Oh, pardon. You just go to the traffic
Yes.
and the lights,
Yes.
and you go through the tunnel.
Ok.
Et à côté est la gare.
Ok.
Allez,
Thank you.
no worries. Au revoir. Nice Porsche. Remember what I was saying about the fish? Have a look. Be cool, eh? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them just kind of cruising right here. If I had a baguette, they would eat it. Well, guys, I'm gonna head back to my place, so just want to say, hey, thanks for watching the video today. A little bit short, but yeah, on the scooter, just trying to rip around and show you a little bit of where I am today.